Hi friends, in this video we are going to see what is the use of method overriding. Okay, why we need. In the earlier video we have seen method overloading, but in this video we are going to see overriding. Okay, so for doing overriding and all, there should be a parent class and child class into it, and these two, parent and child, it means it is having is a relationship. Okay, it is having is a relationship. Is a relationship, how we will get it? Extents we may get it. Is a relationship between these two classes, parent and child class. Okay, these two classes should be having is a relationship by using extents. So if two classes are there, I want to override my functionality from parent to child. Okay, so if child is not there, then I want to use parent. Or if child is having, I want to use the child functionality. Okay, so both parent and child, two classes are there. If child is not having that method, I want to use the parent one. If child is overriding the same method, then we need to use the child functionality. Then we need to go for overriding and all. Let me take two classes here. Okay, so class A containing, for example, run method is there. Okay, it is having its own functionality. It is having its own functionality. Similarly, I am having another class also. Class B is there, where it is extends A. Here also I am having my own method. Run method is there. Here also my own run method is there. Now I am trying to create the object to the class B. Okay, now I am trying to object to the class B. B dot run. Then which method do you think will run? Will run the run method. So parent is having run, child is overriding the same functionality. And one more prerequisite is, whatever these two methods are there, it should have, okay, preconditions for these two methods is, it should have same method name, same arguments, same return type. Then only it will consider it as a overriding. Okay, then only it will consider it as a overriding. Otherwise it will treat that as a different method. Okay, so one method is having some functionality, you want to override with your own functionality, then that concept is nothing but overriding. So method names will be same, parameters are same, return type is same, and when we can call it as a overriding is like you are trying to override the parent functionality in child class, then that we are calling it as a overriding. Okay, let me see practically. So let me create a new package, or it is also coming under inheritance only. Yeah, let me create another class here. Okay, I have created a new class. Fine. Let me assume I am having another. Okay, let me having another class, public. Okay, so class, and guys, please remember this point. One class should have only one public class. You should not have more than one public class. Please try to remember. Okay, what is this public and all? Next session we are going to see. Yeah, class, vehicle class is there, for example, vehicle. So vehicle class contains run method is there. Okay, this class contains run method. So we are trying to see this run method. Okay, running, just running is there. Another class is there, I have bike class. Okay, another class is there, I have bike class, which is extends this vehicle class. Okay, here also I am having one run method. Here also I am having one run method. Okay, bike is running. Why error it is giving? Because The parent class is having this method return type as void, but whereas here string is there. So return type also should be same. Perfect. What is the error here? The type vehicle is already defined. Okay, so let me give it as vehicle 1, and here also you can take vehicle 1. Perfect. Okay, so this is the parent class. See here, extends vehicle. Vehicle 1 is the parent class. It is having one run method. Okay, its own functionality will be there. If you don't want this functionality for this bike, I want to implement my own functionality. Then what I am doing, same method name, same return type, but my functionality is changing here. You can write your own functionality here. Okay, your own functionality, you can write it here. So you are trying to override the parent's run method to your own functionality. Now, if you will run it, okay, if you will run it, carefully understand here, for example, if we don't have this, then what is happening? Carefully understand. I am trying to create the object to the bike b equal to new bike. Okay, b dot run method I want to call. See, now my child is not having, bike is not having any run method. I commented this. Now it is going to run this method only, because these two in easier relationship extends. So if it doesn't have, then this method will be called internally. Okay. So see here, that is the inheritance, getting the from parent to child. See, running method is called. If I have this method in place, now tell me, first it will check for bike class only. If bike class run method will be there, it will run this method only. If it is not there, then it will go to its parent, because you are overriding same functionality from parent to child. If you will run it now it is going to print bike is running. Okay, it is going to print. You can observe carefully here. See, bike is running. So it means your child class overridden functionality is called. Overridden functionality is called. Okay, like this way. This is the how where we will get the parent to child, how we can override and all. Can we override this run method with parameters? But you want to override and all. See here carefully, public void run. I want to override with some parameter, string name. Carefully understand here. You can override with run method, okay, but it will consider it as a different method. You are overriding the same run method, but you are passing what? String name. The string name, any method is there in parent? No. No method is there with this method signature. Then it will treat, it is not a overridden method. This is only the overridden method, which is same as parent class. Then it will consider it as a overridden method. If it is not there, it will take it from parent. If it is there, it will take from child class only. Okay, that is the implementation part of the, so overriding and all. So if you want to do override, the parent class need to have some functionality. You want to override that with your own functionality in child class. When you can say parent and child class, so there is a relationship between one class to the other class by using extends, is a relationship, then we can say that is overriding. The same parent functionality you are overriding in child class, and in the child class you are going to use it. Okay, the child class you are going to use it whenever you are making a call to that particular method. If it is not available, then you can make a call to your parent class method. Okay, so how effectively we can use this one in the future sessions we are going to discuss. For now, you need to understand, if something in the parent class is not okay for us, then you can override that functionality in your child classes, and you can use that functionality wherever you require. Okay, that is nothing but overriding here. But in the real-time point of view, where exactly we are using this and all, I will tell you later in the coming sessions. Okay guys, thank you so much.